That was great, but again, there was these problems of it only embeds on the word level and it doesn't do multi-meaning representations for the words. Some problems. Luckily, in 2017-ish, I think, we got this attention is all you need paper, which is probably the foundation of all machine learning nowadays. And these transformer models were super, super good at all the things, including vector embeddings. So this is how we got the BERT models, the ELMo models, all of these. This is basically what every modern machine learning model is based on. So the transformer models use the transformer architecture, which is described in this paper and very complicated. But basically what is different is it can take the entire input text into account, and it can modify each of the embeddings by the surrounding text. So it's not only using the two words in front and the two words in back, but it's using the entire text to make these representations, which made it a lot better. Limitations here are it was definitely more computationally expensive, but as it is the basis of all modern machine learning, whether that's large language models or embedding models nowadays, it's definitely worth it. So there's this paper, or there's this video on YouTube that I would definitely recommend watching if you're interested in this more. It's actually a whole series. Great, taught me so much. I've watched this video so many times trying to figure out how this stuff works. But yeah, we can see here too the example I had earlier where it's encoding the meaning of these vectors in some way.